What is a purpose of a chemical engineer? First and foremost, I believe that everything around us is a product of science and technology. And we all know that one of the main branches of science is chemistry. Chemistry is the study of matter, its properties and compositions, as well as laws governing changes. When we are talking of chemistry, we are mostly referring with the matters or everything around us. Matter is everything around us because everything surrounds us as atoms. So what's the purpose of being a chemical engineer? From the foods we eat every day, from the clothes we are wearing daily, from the products we are using in our everyday lives, these are all products of chemistry. I believe that without a chemical engineer, there would be nothing. So it simply means that chemical engineers have big roles in the production of products that we are using every day. So without chemical engineers, maybe we can survive in our daily lives. That's it.
Chemical engineering students tends to improve the life of man without harming the environment.
Chemical engineers are ones that are responsible for the development.
Produce our daily necessities such as soaps and shampoos.
First, we would like to clear out the misconception about between the chemical engineers and the chemists. So we chemical engineers are focused on the industry, large-scale production of products, while chemists are more focused.
First of all, the first purpose of being a chemical engineer.
Industrialization, walang mga tao na yung kaalaman nila saktong-sakto para sa, di ba, pag-produce ng mga steel, yung mga ganun. Kasi yung mga mechanical engineer na may alam na konting chemistry, sila yung mga pinakaunang chemical engineer talaga. Bali, nung mga panahon nga na yun, din, nung mga panahon na yun, nalaman ng nasa mga developing countries katulad ng US, developing countries pa lang, na kailangan ng mga tao na specialized para sa mga chemical processes para sa industriya. Tapos ngayong mga panahon na to, hindi na lang yun yung purpose ng Chemtech. Kasi ngayon, dahil nga sa environmental issues, ayun, nakasama na rin yun sa mga concerns ng Chemtech. Kasi nga, halos sa mga disciplines sa engineering, yun lang yung sila lang yung may kaalaman doon sa mga ganung bagay. Kasi yung iba, di ba? Yun. Kasi ngayon pati sa biotechnology, biomedical engineering, na na rin, parang yung ibang chemeng nag-specialize na rin sila. Yun yung pinaka-purpose.
I want to be.
And I will be.
I want to be.
I will be.
I want to be, and
I want to be a chemical engineer.
Chemical engineer.
Chemical engineer.
be a chemical engineer.
And I will be a chemical engineer.